Welcome to another mega exciting From's Gambit. This one could be quite exciting, if not mega exciting. Okay, I know a little bit of the theory. What's his ratings like? Don't tell me there's a big mismatch. Right, he's kind of new, 2181 on the 5 minute. Hasn't really played much on his Blitz, is like 1702. I'm hoping he's not too familiar with this. This is 1705 actually, 1705. Okay, let's not worry too much. Knight G2, I don't remember Knight G2. Is that really a move? Any? Take G6. Maybe it is. Queen F6 here. On F4. That gives me, if he plays E3, Bishop F5. Okay, why does he play that? Isn't Bishop F4 plausible? Am I losing a piece? Let's check here. There's E5. What's the meaning of this? I'll put bishop here and castle queenside. Let's see, if I castle queenside, something like knight b4 later, is that useful? Castle knight d4, f5. He's going to use this f4. Bishop g2 is always h3 though. If rook f1, I mean, take this other rook, you'd have to use the right rook. Oh, there's knight e5 here. Surely this is a gorgeous position to have. Castle queen a7, c5, b6. If I castle kingside, let's castle kingside. I'm wondering about this position. Right, if I play c5. Parrot, b6. Otherwise he'll just take it. Might have been dismantled. Oh, he's got yeah, he's got rook f5. It looks pretty good, rook f5 coming up. Maybe knight f3, queen g5, rook f5, winning a piece. This is great. Knight f3 is not what I wanted. I was getting mated. Is rook d8, is that plausible? Takes on d8. And there's queen h2. What's that move? I'll try it. Don't like the look of this. Potentially, I don't know, the pawns if I'm not getting mated. Do not like the look of this. I'm on the bishop though. So rook h1, queen e2. Rook d1 might be dangerous. He's only played about 9 5-minute games to get this rating. He's won 4, lost 3 by the way, drawn 2. This is okay, scary. Rook d8, queen e5. I don't know, is rook e8 possible? Am I going to get to an ending? Oh, blimey. That's rook d8, yeah. Knight g6, knight g4, rook e4, and knight f5. Maybe knight g6. Oh, hang on. He's resigned, yes. I think he's just left his rook. Hang on, I just realised. Yes. I was wondering why he resigned. Oh, no! Oh no, he just plundered his rook. Is this any good, this c5? Probably not. I should have supported the knight. That was terminal danger. It's like +3 after this. My last chance, bishop e6, maybe, if rook here. I'm in grave danger here. Is that f5? I've just lost control of the f5 square. So queen g5 is no longer possible. I think if we look at this continuation, I've just played this. So I'm going to do this. I think I've always got queen g5. There's also queen h2. Okay, yeah, I lost control of the position. So it's nearly completely lost. Is queen h2 the only move? Probably, yeah, queen is just rook f5. Yes, I thought this game was gone after that. Alright, so that's a shame. Yeah, queen takes f2 apparently is winning. There's no compensation. Rook f5 is better. I thought my king doesn't look right. Doesn't look right at all, this king position. But apparently it's not massive advantage for white. Okay, yeah, comments or questions on YouTube. I was let off the hook by the blunder. Thanks very much.